Namaskar. My heartfelt greetings to all those attending this program on the 158th birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda. This day is celebrated all over the nation as the National Youth Day. I am Shayak Pranab Ghosh, a first year BTech student at Electronics and Communication Department at Jalpaiguri Government Engineering College. I am here to speak on the topic, is Swami Vivekananda still relevant today in the 21st century? Well, Swami Vivekananda first came to fame when he attended the World Parliament of Religions organized at Chicago in United States of America in the year 1893. It was on the 11th of September that Swami Vivekananda took stage and he first addressed the crowd of 7,000 odd gentlemen as brothers and sisters of America. Those 7,000 gentlemen were actually a group of people representing different religions and different sections from various countries of the world. The people were dumbfounded by this sudden expression. Vivekananda wasn't done yet. He went on to explain to them about how India was actually the heart of the world's philosophy and how she had played a major role in all the metaphysics which was later propagated to various countries of the West. Swamiji also explained that the Sanatana Dharma had played a major role in forming the philosophies long before the Western civilization was even born. Swamiji was a strong advocate of women's participation in the society. Along with Sister Nivedita, Swamiji worked in several endeavors all around the country. Swamiji had given his entire life to the service of humanity. He strongly believed that service to humanity was synonymous with service to God. Swamiji was a strong patron of education. He said education was actually the key to bringing the various sections of the society closer to one another. He strongly believed that it was the lack of education that had fragmented our society and that prevented our society from gaining the level it should have achieved long days ago. Swami Vivekananda had a strong message for the youth. He said that all the youth of the country had a major responsibility on their shoulders. He believed that through their muscles of thorns and their strong determination and nerves of steel, the youth of this country would bring about social changes. Swami Vivekananda's message to the youth was, arise, awake and stop not till the goal is reached. Swamiji came from a very affluent background, and despite that, Swami Vivekananda had denounced all worldly pleasures since attaining enlightenment. Swamiji strongly believed that no one could live in pleasure as long as his or her countryman is not attaining the same amount of pleasure that he or she is attaining. Swamiji's words still ring in my mind, and I believe that he is still a great inspiration to the modern day youth. So I can thus conclude by saying that Swamiji's concepts are more relevant today than ever. India is in the phase of development, and as long as we continue to be a developed society, Swamiji's words should always echo in our minds and his memory should always be in our heart, and only then we will be a very successful nation. Thank you.